Hello again. This is our continuation of our construction contractors information on setting up and continuing their business. Some items that I have seen over the years that we need to address for the ones out there who are already in business or who are starting a business. First one would be your bookkeeping. Who's doing your bookkeeping? Who's overseeing your bookkeeping? And understanding this is not tax planning. If you have good handled bookkeeping, you should be able to see your net income. A lot of times in the construction industry, you're going to have the short-term jobs, the long-term jobs, and if they are not posting to the correct jobs, your profit is going to look incorrect. If you're going to do some bidding out there, you may do it incorrectly because you're basing it on numbers that are incorrect. So what you want to remember is the bookkeeping, who's doing it, are they really working it out? And are you as a manager getting those numbers that keep you awake at night and you're watching them? And who's helping you do that? So that's going to be a very important thing to remember. Second thing is many of my contractor clients do not know how to pay themselves salary-wise depending on the form of organization. Are you an S Corp? You're required to run payroll. But do you have the money to do payroll? So how you're going to remember this is have someone, a CPA, guide you. Make you see that you do not, you're still compliant while your numbers are not showing the ability to make payments for payroll for yourself. And then finally, the last thing is file everything on time. Make sure you're paying all your withholdings if there is any employees. And remember that this is just the very basics of the working of the business. This is not the tax planning. So what you want to do, get your bookkeeping in order, have somebody see that bookkeeping and start getting reports every month, and try to hire someone, a CPA partner that will meet with you quarterly, that you can set your goals, what you want to do, where you want to be, how are you going to get there. Remember, that is a different type of engagement. You will have to see whoever you look for, the CPA that will help you will have to understand and have an expertise in the field. My next video, I want to go over a little bit more into tax planning, tax positioning, and how we are going to accomplish some of the deductions that you will need for the future and once you get your business established. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, press a like. If you have any questions, leave in the comments in the box below. Again, thanks for watching.